Happy New Year, everyone! 2020, it's finally over, thank God, and it's time to get back to painting and to happy things. I was in the mood to start the new year out with some hot pink color. I love hot pink, and who doesn't? Also, I'm very happy to announce that Dixie Belle finally released their new Gilding wax. We are going to get a little artsy with this one. We're going to use gold, we're going to use hot pink, we are going to go crazy. And at the end, it's going to be amazing. Let's go. We are starting with a French Provincial dresser, which I absolutely love. I love all the lines and curves. I just love everything about this style of furniture. I clean the piece with white lightning before painting. I also clean the hardware with white lightning off camera. I'm attaching the hardware back in because I'm going to paint them. I chose Peony for my color. It's this gorgeous hot pink. Everyone is getting excited about hot pink. Like, everybody loves hot pink, even Duke. Something I should have realized right here is the coverage. Normally, the coverage is amazing, but this particular color on dark wood, it took 4 coats. Now that I'm done, I'm thinking using Boss would have been much better, but I didn't. So, lesson learned. Live and learn. After getting 4 coats, I got that solid color. I could have saved my paint and used 2 coats if I would have primed it with Dixie Belle Boss. Oh well, now I know for the next time. As I said, lesson learned. I started thinking, what could I do to this to make it even more unique? Or even crazier. I decided to try and give it a dipped look with midnight sky. I love dipped furniture. I love dipping furniture in things. I started by painting the bottom. As my brush got drier, I moved up. It created a heavy black underneath and a dry brush effect going up. I really wasn't trying to be perfect. Actually, I wanted it to be not perfect. There's parts on the bottom showing some pink and I didn't care. I actually love that part. I loved seeing pink underneath the black color. I wanted it to look aged and deep and bold and I don't even know, artistic maybe? It looked so pretty and I just went with it. I really love it. I did this to the bottom of the dresser. also dry brush the hardware with Midnight Sky. Now with another brush, you can use the original pink and correct any mistakes and make the blend even better. We just dry brush the opposite way with our pink until you like it. You can go back and forth with this as much as you want. Just make sure to let it dry each time. Very important to make it dry each time. If you dry brush on wet paint, you're going to create purple, because black and pink create purple. I did some dry brushing on the top as well. And a little bit on the corners of the drawers and the accent lines. This is just a really personal preference where and how much you want to dry brush. Once you're done with that part, it's time to add some protection, because every piece needs protection. Spray wax makes things very easy. Just spray some on and wipe it off. And now, the moment we all have been waiting for. Or maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm the one who was waiting for this. Dixie Belle's new gilding wax is here and I finally got my hands on it. Yes! I have to say, my first impressions are very good. I love it. It's pretty much what you want from a gilding wax. It's oil-based now, so it's very pigmented. And once you're done, it's done. They're both waxes, so the piece is completely sealed. And it was done. I really love this piece. It's bright, happy, and fearless. And that's how I wanted to start this year. This piece just makes me happy. And starting a new year with new oil-based gilding wax from Dixie Belle makes me extra happy as well. I'm really impressed with new Dixie Belle wax and I am so looking forward to using all colors on my future projects. Why did I do that for? Why? I don't know. I'm such a weirdo. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment below, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next week with a new project and more ideas. Bye everybody! This is how you do it. This is how you start the new year. Like, oh.